Hi everyone, my name is Ifedayo Bamikole and welcome to my course on implementing security in Azure Synapse. I am a cloud solution architect at Microsoft. We know data has become a very important part of our lives. And because of this, data plays a huge role when building your data estate. This course gives you a list of security features available in Azure Synapse and how to implement them. Some of the topics we'll cover include encryption of data at rest and in motion, encryption with a custom key, implementing features like data masking, row-level security, and column-level security. By the end of this course, you have a solid foundation of the different security features available in Azure Synapse. I hope you join me on this journey to learn about data security with the Implementing Security in Azure Synapse course here on Pluralsight.